happening, BC Spirits? BC Spirits Spirit... Oh, I did this last week. Cocktail of the week, number 8. What are we going to make today? I want to do something a little bit different. I want to do a Corpse Reviver number blue. We have all the ingredients in BC that we can make this with. The Corpse Reviver number blue was created by Jacob Briars in New Zealand. It is a blue take on a Corpse Reviver number 2. So let's kick it off. It's a super simple cocktail. Everybody should know how to make this. Now, playing around with gins, I was playing around with a couple of different gins that I was like, oh, what am I going to use? I am going to use a barrel-aged gin in this one, but it's the Sauvignon Blanc aged gin from Queensborough. And it's got that really, really great kiwi sort of tropical notes. And I was just like, you know what? I think this is going to work for me. So we're going to do 3/4 of an ounce of that little bar. We're going to use the Beaufort Vermouth. Now, typically you'd use like a Lillet. We don't really have like a Lillet style vermouth in BC, but this is for flavor profile wise, it's very, very close. Then we're going to use this bad boy, the Sons of Vancouver Blue Curacao. Now, their Blue Curacao is fantastic. It started off as an April Fool's joke. Now it's legit. It happens every single year. So I really appreciate this Blue Curacao. So typically you use Cointreau. So then we're going to do some lemon juice. 3/4 as well. So this is a 3/4, 3/4, 3/4, 3/4 cocktail. Can't really screw it up when it's that easy. Boop, that in there. So, chilled glass. Going for my nice little vintage one right here. We're going to do a little splash of the Alchemist Absynthe. It's an apple-based absinthe out of Summerland. And we're just going to coat the glass with that. And it's done a really great job. I did a perfect pour on that one, if I didn't say so myself. Okay, some ice. Oh my goodness, so just butchering the hell out of that. But we got the job done. Tap, give it a shake. Always give that a little bit of a taste. On point. So, drizzle this. Pretty color there. Grab another lemon here. Just grab a little twist. Over the top, drop that in. One little coaster right there. This is the Corpse Reviver number blue, utilizing the wine barrel aged, the Sauvignon Blanc wine barrel aged Queensborough gin, the Beaufort craft vermouth from the island here, Blue Curacao April Fool's joke from the good old guys from Sons of Vancouver, a little splash of that Alchemist Green Frog Absinthe from Summerland, and you've got yourself a fantastic little cocktail there. The Corpse Reviver number blue. Hope you enjoyed that, guys. Have a good week. Bye.